It's our second day in Sally. We're having breakfast today. This is the breakfast area. This is what we have. That's the morning. The pool area of the building. It's been more of a relaxing day at the pool, but we're gonna go to the beach now. So let's go to the beach. Let's have a look around for the last time. And to the beach we go. Okay, it's our beach day and we're heading towards La PINEDA. Let's say with a Spanish accent, La PINEDA. So off we go, come with us. Okay, so we are also using the opportunity to do our steps.
Yeah. 10,000, that's our target.
10,000. How many steps have you got now?
I've done almost 3,000. Yeah. 3,000.
Yeah. Nowhere near.
You get there.
We'll get there because we have like 40 minutes more to walk.
So 40 minutes back.
Yeah. We'll get there. La PINEDA. And we are in La PINEDA. Beautiful place. The breeze, the sun, everything is perfect. Look at this beautiful place. Ah! It's amazing. Perfect place to be on a holiday. La PINEDA in Spain. This is beautiful. Okay, we're gonna find the spots and sit down. Need to find a spot to sit down and relax. Going to get something to eat from out there. We have to eat.
We have to.
We're going around some of the souvenir shops to get some things for our kids. We're taking a walk down to the PINEDA Center and have a look around a bit, and then we set off and go home. Let's go. What is Barcelona without seeing a bunch of young footballers? We've got our goodies, got some souvenirs. So off we go now. Thank you all for watching. Keep coming back for more vlogs. Bye.